So we're currently on day 2 of the car dealership challenge. We only were able to go to one car dealership yesterday, Lexus. They let us film the cars, and we're gonna show up and present it to them. We learned what kind of manager to ask for, general manager. So we're learning, and it seems like there's many car dealerships in our area. I think like 30 to 50 plus luxury car dealerships. So finding 10 who want to work with us shouldn't be a problem. Even if we just find one, we'll be golden, right? So, but we like to go to the extreme. We want to grow as fast as possible, help as many people. So we want to do car dealerships, local banks, anybody who can support a 10K plus a month commitment. So the universe is going to test you when you're trying to become a new version of yourself. So we got hail yesterday. Today it's supposed to snow some more. So anybody who's open, we're going to go to. It's perfect timing for us because they're not going to be busy. No one's buying cars in this weather. So it's a perfect opportunity for us to pitch to them our social media services. And we're going to get many clients, create great results. And hopefully the South will start acting like the South again. It will be nice and warm soon. We're going to, obviously, I used to do door-to-door sales, but even if you've never done door-to-door sales before, what you'll learn is it's trial and error. Rejection is just a redirection, and sometimes not right now is a yes in the future. So don't give up any opportunities. Give as much value as you can, and remember, everyone's just a self-reflection of yourself. So treat people how you'd like to be treated because they are all just you. So we're gonna start. We actually made a test video for Lexus, so we'll go there midday, I'd say. So we're gonna hit up some other dealerships, warm up, maybe close some of them, and then we'll go to the Lexus place and give them our little sample. And all we're doing is, you know, these dealerships probably have a small social media team already, but they're just not hitting it. Like they might have a couple hundred followers, and that's about it. They're big businesses, so they can support the cost. See you there. Snowing, kind of. It's icy roads. Hopefully some of these are gonna be open. And all we're gonna do is go from dealer to dealer. We already did Lexus. We might call them first or just show up because we already have their videos ready to go. But we'll do that later in the day. We wanna warm up on other cars too. So all we need is one today at 10K a month, but we're gonna aim for 10 total. That way we'll be at 100K a month in revenue and we can hire a whole team of employees, okay? So let's see how many car dealers there are in this area. So there's a lot. There's 50 plus. So we have an abundance of resources. We're just going to go from one to the next. So Toyota's first because it's the closest. So we're getting ice storm warnings. So remember, whenever you try to create a new version of yourself, the universe is going to test you. And for us, the universe is saying, oh, you want to land car dealerships, Ian? Oh, okay. Here's an ice storm. So I got to say, okay, universe. I take it. I take your ice storm, and I'm still gonna work. So let's go slow. Let's go safe. Let's land some clients. Let's have fun. Today's gonna be a great day. So the first thing I do is when I get to a dealership, I check out their social media, see what value I can give them, and then we move on from there. Yeah, I'm not seeing any socials on their website. Feel good. Feel energized. Believe in ourselves. Ready?
No. Not up here. I can take a message and put it in his box.
Sure. You always get the
last name?
Trans. SCHRAN.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. Perfect. All right, so let's go. Don't view that as a failure. Rejection is just a redirection, and we're not even rejected yet. We haven't met with the manager yet, but we gave my cell. Talking about social media, they clearly don't have social media because we couldn't find any of it. So on to the next place. All we need is one person to say yes. And we're golden, right? So that's the beauty of this strategy. You know, like wholesaling real estate, you got to keep finding more and more deals. Commercial real estate, you're going to find tons of partners and things like that. This, you need one client, 10K a month, and you're already making 6-figure income. As long as you deliver value to them, they'll keep coming back to you. Part of the journey is having fun. If you do this long enough, that's what I was talking about, shiny object syndrome. If you do it long enough, eventually you will succeed. You'll figure out what messaging works, what they're looking for, how you can solve their pain points. You just have to stick with it long enough. Don't hop from thing to thing too much. We followed the same problem, but now we're sticking with this one thing because it seems like a great idea. There's a proven track record of it working. We've helped our real estate investor increase his social media. So we know we can deliver the goods. We know they're willing to pay for the goods from my students' clients. So all we have to do is find the people who want to work with us. And the more you do this, the less fear you'll have, because it will feel like second nature. So just keep taking massive action. So most of these people probably won't be here, but all we need is one, remember? Just one. We're looking for a general manager.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, nice to meet you.
1 second.
Who are you with?
Forever Lucid.
Sorry?
Social media.
Hey, what can I do for you?
So I have a social media company, and what we do is we specialize in increasing brand growth and sell more cars through social media. So I was checking out your socials, and I had some ideas to and give you some advice. So if you had some time to chat, I'd love to walk you through what we do and
yeah,
how
you
we
can
might
walk
be
me
able to help.
through it. I've got something I've been doing like 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's more than
enough
enough
time.
time.
Well, here, I'll connect you with the person that kind of helps do our social.
Sure thing.
Freezing to death or what?
Yeah, a little bit.
I bet.
Are you okay with if we record this?
I'd prefer you not to record it.
Okay. If I step in, Tyler seems interested. Definitely a good potential. He said he's nearing the edge of selling out all of his cars. So he only has 5 or 6 cars more per month that he can sell. So if we help him sell those, you know, our services are needed. Wants to sell 70 cars per month because that's all he can get right now. He's currently selling 65, so if we can help him sell an extra 5 cars per month, he said he profits about $1,500 per car, so times 5. So that would be his budget to sell those extra cars would be, you know, around 7,500 break even. So he might be a candidate for our 5K offer, where we just grow him through YouTube, or if he's able to increase his dealership cars, how many cars he gets, we can do it that way. So for that to make sense for him, we would probably pitch him at a 5K offer, so we'll do that tomorrow. So we're still hunting for our 10K deal, so we're gonna keep going. Tyler's info, so we're gonna follow up with him tomorrow after we do it. So kind of, I guess what we figured out doing is we're doing free test samples. So we're making a short for them, or 2 shorts, something like that, to show what we're capable of. And then we'll expand on that if we end up working with them. So we'll do that for a few different places if that's what they're looking for. And we just gotta keep hunting. I think he's a potential. He seemed interested. He did. He's already doing well, but there's a 5-6 cars he still wants to sell. So we can help him do that. So remember, write down everything they talk about, what their pain points are, what they'd like to do. So we wrote down 5-10 cars still want to sell per month. All right. So we'll follow up with Tyler tomorrow, hand deliver him the videos, and then chat longer, see if we can work out a deal. We'll probably pitch him the 5K a month offer, and we're gonna go to as many as we can until all of them are closed or the ice gets too bad. We got a potential from Lexus now, and we have a potential from Subaru now. So that's good. One of those will definitely turn into a deal. We just got to keep following up. Remember, it's the art of follow-up now. You took the initial hard work of reaching out. You did it. You showed up in person. They were super cordial, super nice. They see a need for it. He's selling really well. He wants to sell some more. So we'll chat with them and see what they'd like to do. So how it works is the car salesman makes a commission for every car he sells. The manager and general manager make a commission on all of their salespeople, how many cars they sell. So they're incentivized to sell more cars because then they get more money. And what we've just learned for that specific dealership is they are limited by getting 70 cars in per month, and they're selling 65 of them right now. So they're pretty much almost selling out of their inventory. So we can come in and be like, hey, you're almost selling out of your inventory. How about we help you fully sell out of your inventory? So that for that one, that makes sense for them. As long as the price point makes sense. They said they were averaging $1,500 per car. So if we can sell them out of their last 5-6 cars, you know, our 5K price point isn't too difficult. We're still hunting for a 10K a month deal. That's someone who has a lot more cars they're trying to get rid of. 70 cars in every month, and they're capped out at that right now for the moment. And then of those 70 cars they get in, they sell 60 to 65 of them. So they're doing already a good job, but we can help them sell out every month. I'm falling more and more in love with this idea every day, because like the response is really good. Like I've done door-to-door sales before, and the energy and vibe from these people is much better than other things I've done. And their businesses, right? Because at the end of the day, what do they want? They want to sell more cars. So we're going to Ford right now, and then we still have Lexus's number and his videos. So I think we should call him rather than just showing up, because it is raining again, so he might not even be there today. You got to be persistent, on the verge of bothering, but just persistent. That means you're working hard because you're persistent. Because if we'll be that persistent with him, we'll be that persistent to get him clients, you know? So it's all about your energy. So have really positive energy, have abundance energy, give a lot of value, and just take it one day at a time. I think I might shave. This beard's starting to get itchy. Starting to rain a little bit more, but that's okay. We're not getting deterred. We're actually making really good progress. We already have 2 maybes since we started this journey yesterday. We're at our 3rd dealership for the day. It looks open, and we'll follow the same cycle. I'm not seeing any socials. Yeah, I think we'll just stick with YouTube for now.
Yeah.
I understand, y'all.
Yeah.
It's yours.
That's
Okay,
right.
make sure it's right.
That's
Okay.
good.
Ian, understand.
Wesley, nice to meet you.
Can you speak with the general manager, please?
He's actually at lunch right now,
At lunch?
so I'll
Okay.
check and see you.
Ian, nice to meet you.
That's
Angelo.
you guys look for our GM. He's out to lunch.
Okay.
Is there anything I can help you guys with?
We just want to chat. We own a social media company.
Okay.
We specialize in making videos to sell more cars. So we just want to chat, see, because we checked out your socials. We had some advice. So worst case, just give you some advice. Best case,
For
we
sure.
work together.
Let me grab you his card. Okay?
Yeah. We can always come back in a couple hours. We're just trying to wait before it gets too icy, you know?
Verse 32 speaks of the sons of Issachar, for men understood their times and what to do.
Tim, take off to finish his lunch.
Yeah, he should be back here later.
All right, thank you.
y'all.
Have a good day.